in the lush Pacific Northwest, nestled within the moss-laden suburbs of Vancouver, Washington. We observe two seasoned roof specialists, Tanner and Eric, of Northwest Roof Maintenance. Today they undertake a battle not against beast or weather, but against an invader more subtle and far more persistent: moss. But first, a ritual of survival. A permanent anchor is installed at the apex of the roof. This, the technician's lifeline, is vital. For on steep slopes, where danger is always a breath away, fall protection becomes not just a precaution, but a principle. With safety secured, the work begins in earnest. Tanner, armed with an extension pole modified for this very task, leads the charge. At its end, a rugged steel brush, his weapon of choice against the creeping green. The pole allows him to reach into the farthest corners, the shaded valleys, the places moss thrives undisturbed. His motions are deliberate, his aim complete removal without harming the delicate composition shingles below. Eric, in contrast, adopts the hands-on approach. Forgoing the pole, he wields his steel brush with precision and strength. Though the work demands more energy, it affords him unparalleled control, allowing him to extract moss from even the smallest crevice. His hands move with the assurance of experience. Tanner, ever vigilant, shifts focus. Along a roof-to-wall intersection, he finds a common problem. Nails fastening flashing have lifted over time. With the flashing now loose, rainwater, or worse, a determined rodent might find its way inside. He refastens the flashing with care, sealing off another point of weakness. Meanwhile, Eric continues his crusade, working relentlessly to scrub every trace of moss from the roof's weathered surface. His commitment unwavering. Beneath the low-slung eave, Tanner installs a small but crucial piece of metal, a diverter. Here, where water once slipped between gutter and siding, this quiet addition will now channel it safely away, protecting the home's exterior for seasons to come. With repairs made and moss removed, the pair take a moment to confer. Their eyes scan the remaining areas. A plan is formed, swift, efficient, born of countless rooftops shared together. And now the final act. Tanner applies a clear liquid treatment across the surface. Invisible to the eye, this solution will prevent future moss growth for up to a year, a silent guardian against nature's return. Another battle won, another home protected, another job completed for Northwest Roof Maintenance.